first supermoon of the year will shine bright tonight, and it's just the beginning. It's one of 3 in 2025 and will appear up to 14% bigger and 30% brighter as it passes closer to Earth, about 2,400 miles away. You won't need a telescope, just clear skies, that's all. The next supermoons are happening next month and then one in December. Very cool.
My boyfriend walks me to the car every morning. I'm only saying this to say that he pointed it out this morning as we were walking out there. It was so bright.
Really?
It was beautiful. So yeah, clear skies this morning. You can see that right there on our live look.
It lit up the sky.
Awesome, and we like this young man. He was raised right. Walks you to the car in the morning.
As you should, no?
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, gold medal.
He's probably going to listen to this now. That's awkward.
And
Anyways.
he watches too in the morning.
Hello.
Jess,
Can't wait to
that's
meet you.
two green flags.
It is.
No, totally.
Yeah,
All right,
like this.
let's change gears and talk about other green flags, though. I'm blushing. Let's head over to the map. A couple things I want to talk about as you head outside today. Those clear skies mean it's a good opportunity for you to head out there and take a look at that supermoon as we head out this morning. Heading into the evening hours tonight, it'll look very similar. Let's actually start all the way down south. Monterey today, Salinas, sitting in the 70s. It was a warm, beautiful weekend all the way down into Carmel, and we're seeing more 70s in store for us today from Santa Cruz, stretched up along our coastline into Half Moon Bay. Let's give some love all the way up into the North Bay, though. I know it's harvest right now, and we're gearing up for some 80s in the forecast. Another thing to mention, too, we have the light winds in the forecast this morning, but that's going to get a lot gustier into this afternoon. I'm turning on the winds currently. You see a little bit of an offshore development in the early morning hours, but it starts to kick up onshore as we head into the afternoon hours today. So what I'm going to show you now are the numbers associated with that. You start off with nice light offshore winds in places like San Francisco, a little bit gustier all the way over into places like Half Moon Bay already. That's going to change gears. We actually start to see winds push onshore, meaning higher relative humidity, a little bit cooler conditions along the coast into this afternoon, those 70s we just mentioned. And as we head into the evening hours tonight, we'll see wind gust anywhere up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour in places like San Francisco, all the way over into northern parts of their communities along the coast too, like Stinson Beach, all the way up into Half Moon Bay or down into Half Moon Bay as well. So here's what we're looking at as we head into this week. Starting off nice, dry, and warm. 80s in store for us in the Bay. It's actually seasonably warm right now. We're talking about daytime highs in the 80s in places like Oakland and San Francisco. We'll start to cool back down to average heading into this weekend. 60s and 70s right around the corner. Now, at the same time, we're also seeing a little bit warmer conditions off into our inland spots, meaning we could see a return to the 90s as early as tomorrow as high pressure builds in. That warms us up for just one day before low pressure starts to develop, and that gives us clouds. It gives us higher relative humidity, a chance for even some light showers pushing in from the north. So places like wine country could see a little bit of showers as early as Thursday evening into Friday. For the rest of us, it looks like it'll be a pretty dry setup with daytime highs a lot cooler, sitting in the 70s. We'll have more on that coming up in just a bit. Beautiful week ahead of us, though. For now, over to you, Gianna.